Namaste amigos. Let me take you to the land where cows chill in traffic, where your taste buds will be on a permanent roller coaster, where trains carry twice their capacity. This is what comes to your mind when you hear the term India. But let me show you, there is much more than that. Historical monuments, sceneries, big cities, breathtaking views, rich culture, never ending rivers, numerous festivals. So let's talk to an Indian guy and see his perspective. Hello, bro.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you, man?
I'm good. What's your name?
Hassan, and you?
Faraz. How long have you been here in Spain?
It's been 6 months.
So where are you from in India and what do you miss the most?
I'm from capital, bro, and I miss my family, friends, food, bro. It's delicious here. It's quiet, but I love India.
My name is Faraz. What's your name?
I'm Arfan.
Arpit.
Yeah.
Arpit. For how long have you been here in Spain?
I've been here for 2.5 years now.
2.5 years, that's quite a long time.
Yeah.
So what do you miss about India?
I miss about India. Because I have a lot of friends and family over there, so definitely,
exactly.
I mean, that's the biggest thing which I miss about India.
Have you encountered any stereotype when you moved to Madrid?
There are a couple of stereotypes which most of the people think. For example, whenever we talk about India, people are like, okay, Indian food, and mostly it is chicken tikka masala.
Yeah, exactly.
But something I have been educating all of my colleagues over here is Indian food is not only about chicken tikka masala. I mean, there are a lot of,
There are a
because
lot of
India is a big
varieties.
country, so north part of India has different variety of food, west and east part and the south part different variety of food, and we also don't eat just one variety. We keep on switching depending on occasion, depending on our mood for the week, or so different varieties and flavors are available. Second thing is, India is not only restricted to either Bangalore, Mumbai, or beaches in Goa, or because India has deserts, India has mountains, India has beaches, so a lot of different variety of terrain for traveling also. So that's what I keep educating my colleagues on here.
Like for my colleague, she was visiting India for the first time, so I told her like concentrate on one part because India is very vast. So if do you want to go to north or south? And I explained the difference between north and south, and she was more inclined towards north. So I told her like go to Jaipur, Agra, Udaipur, all the desert part, and then if she wants to go to Himalayan, like the up north also, so there she can go. But yeah, like one area at a time, can't cover whole of the
Because you
India.
need at least 6 months to...
Exactly. Then she went to like Prayagraj and
Yeah.
all
That's
of
my
that.
city.
Yeah, like Banaras, and so yeah. So
Now let me show you the views of non-natives about India.
There's a thing that I've seen recently. There's like a challenge that you have to put in Google Maps like a place in India, a street view, and the challenge is to find somewhere without garbage.
Okay.
And it's like really difficult.
It is difficult. Yeah, it is. Thank you for being true. Thank you. What comes to your mind when you hear the term India?
India, hot, spicy, and very bright and very rich in diversity.
Yeah, very rich diversity. Would you recommend someone, if someone is visiting India, would you recommend him to go?
I don't know, maybe some religious places to visit
Yeah.
and try some local foods. And maybe nature. It is the most fascinating part, and maybe choosing some local inhabitants places, not only touristic, to feel the spirit of true India.
Exactly. India has a lot to give, a lot to show. What's your name? Aaron. Faraz. So I just want to know, what are your thoughts about India? What comes to your mind when you hear the term India?
I guess at a larger global scale, I maybe think of the type of products that are coming from India, or maybe the like type of work you associate, or also Indians that are in different countries like the US where I'm from.
If you have any stereotypes about India?
I feel like classic stereotypes that just coming from the US are things like you have a lot of Indians in the US that are in engineering or pharmaceuticals maybe, or you could associate it with work that is for global companies but gets outsourced to India, so like a call center potentially. Yeah, maybe those are the
Yeah, I get that.
top ones that come to mind.
Whether you are looking for a spiritual peace, spicy food, or just a warm smile on your face, India has got it all. And more importantly, it's not just a place to visit, it's a feeling. I'll see you somewhere between a temple or a tea stall. Shukriya.
Your tea is ready, bro.
Pera.